Hello guys, in this very special video we are going to fix Microsoft Edge not opening and not responding. So we will be fixing both the issues, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, then please hit the like and subscribe. So let's get started. So the very first thing we need to do is to open the Microsoft Edge if it's not responding, and we will be fixing the not opening part as well. So I have just opened the Microsoft Edge, and here we just need to click on this three dots and then go to settings, and here we need to click on reset settings from the left hand side, and then restore settings to their default values. Now this will not delete any of your favorites or saved password, so don't worry about it. Alright, so once you click on reset, then try to open and see the magic. Now we will move to the next step if it's not opening. So for that we just need to type in the search bar troubleshoot and then click on troubleshoot settings. Now the moment you find the troubleshoot window, we are looking for additional troubleshooters, and scroll it down a little bit, look for program compatibility troubleshooter. So this fix is for not responding and not opening Microsoft Edge both. So we just have to click on this and click on run the troubleshooter, and the moment you do it, it will start detecting issues. And here we need to do a very important part. Make sure you select Microsoft Edge from here and then click on next, and it will start resolving the issue. Make sure you follow the online screen instruction. It will take hardly 5 to 10 seconds to do that. Restart the machine and see the magic. Let me know in the comment section if it has worked for you, and yes, I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.